Value Fencing Tri-Mag 5.0 Swimming Pool Gate Magnetic Latch Lock. Installation Guide. Page 1. Latch Bracket 1. Position the first latch bracket on the gate post, at least 1.5 meters above ground level. Drill pilot holes and secure with stainless steel screws. Page 2. Latch Bracket 2. Install the second bracket directly below, making sure both are aligned. Page 3. Latch Body. Slide the Tri-Mag 5.0 latch body onto the brackets and fix it vertically for smooth operation. Page 4. Striker Bracket. On the gate frame, fit the striker bracket at the same height as the latch. Page 5. Striker Assembly. Attach the striker housing and hook to complete the catch mechanism. Page 6. Striker Adjustment. Adjust the striker gap to 3 to 6 millimeters, then test. The gate must self-close, self-latch, and lock securely every time.